Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Jenny Glow. Jenny Glow is another subsidiary or branch of House of Sterling. The perfume House of Sterling is one of the most famous perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They have been around for a few years and they have a very extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio altogether with their branches. I think altogether there are about 13 of them, which one of them is Armani, which is quite famous, and this one is Jenny Glow, which is another quite well-known branch of the House of Sterlings. So the Jenny Glow itself has probably about hundreds of perfume in their portfolio. Altogether, the House of Sterling, mamma mia, thousands of perfume under their names. So they are very prolific. They make so many perfumes and perfume brands, and I unboxed and reviewed many of their this Jenny Glow perfumes before, and for the price they are quite impressive. This Jenny Glow brand is very affordable, is accessible, is very reasonably priced. Usually in United Kingdom you can find them under 20 quid, and this one in particular is called Jenny Glow Coding Pour Femme. So this is for ladies aimed. Is EDP is 80ml. I paid under £20 for it, and let's see how it goes for that price. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your shares, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, which is free, by the way. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a world to me. It means survival for me. Thank you for your love and support, and let's go. So this line is called a shimmering line, and it's called on the side it says sheer luxury, and the Jenny Glow is embossed. It says sheer luxury, and it's got information here, and it's like a sparkling, and it's quite a rough, it's like a sandpaper. This A is for, I don't know what is it for, A for something. Again, another information in the back, and it's the date of the production is 29th September 2022 for people who care about these things, and it says is made in France. Jenny Glow logo on top. This one is a light blue color altogether, and the bottle itself is blue color as well, and all Jenny Glow have the same bottle but different coloring, and it's 80ml. It's quite a heavy bottle. The cap has this logo on top again. It says Jenny Glow, and the A in here as well. Coding Pour Femme, EDP 80ml. It's got a sticker on the bottom. The cap is quite it's plastic, but it's got a weight to it, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. Good atomizer, although it's not pressurized or it's not putting too much juice out, but it's good enough. All right, wow, strong. Woo, I can taste it in my mouth. Goodness me. All right, here we go. First impression for Jenny Glow, and this is coding for ladies. Here we go. Woo! First thing first, this is quite fresh, so it's a fresh fragrance. It opened very fresh, it opened very citrusy. The citrus are in here, to my nose, is like a bergamot lemon combination, if not more. So at least it's lemon and or is it more? Yeah, lemon, bergamot, maybe mandarin orange as well. So it's got a little of zesty, orangey feel to it as well. So it's a very, very bright and happy, and you opened up super uplifting, very happy, quite fresh. In the same time, it's got big citrus and big, quite a tarty feel to it. But in the same time, it's got some sweetness behind it. Yeah, it's got some sweetness. I'm guessing there's a vanilla in here, so it's a vanillic sweetness to it. But the sweetness is not overly done. It's on the little bit more than moderate side of things. Other thing is it's got a big floral aspect in here. Yeah, I'm getting white florals, so combination probably of orange blossom and jasmine in here. So it's jasmine, is orange blossom, maybe even there's a lily of the valley in here, because giving it a little bit of powderiness in here. But it's a very white floral dominant, and that white floral plus the citruses is giving it a very bright and happy and fresh feeling. But in the same time, it's got some depth and complexity to it. There's a woody aspect to this fragrance, which is probably see the sandalwood combination, but they are way in the background right now, and they are very clean. Overall, this fragrance is quite clean. I classify this fragrance as fresh fragrance, and also I classify it as oriental fruity floral. It's got some fruity aspect to it as well. Yeah, it's got some fruitiness to it. It's non-descriptive fruity. I'm smelling something like apple, maybe a little bit of pear in here. So it's like a pear and apple combination. And the florals, as I said, white florals dominant, which is the mid tier of this fragrance. The base is got vanilla definitely, and some woody aspect, which is, to my nose, very clean. See the sandalwood combination. So far so good for the price, under £20. Smells very nice. Opened up straight to the perfume, no harshness, no chemical, no alcohol, no sharpness, none of those. So smells very nice, especially for the price. Smells like a designer fragrance, basically. Smells like it reminds me to some extent of Armani Code, the ladies one, the long bottle, the long black bottle, the original one. Okay, so this one reminds me of Armani Code female edition, the original, and it's very reminiscent of that one. Straight, it took me there, although the naming is hinting at that, but I wasn't sure. But now I'm smelling it. Yes, it is very close to Armani Code female perfume. To be honest with you, to my nose, it's quite unisex, although it is not masculine, obviously, but there isn't anything in here to give an uber feminine feel. So far, to my nose, is quite unisex. Anybody, ladies and men, can easily wear it. So according to AI, because I couldn't find this nose breakdown for this anywhere, so the AI is saying Italian orange, jasmine, and bitter orange. In the mid we have jasmine, orange blossom, and ginger. And in the base we have honey, vanilla, and sandalwood. Honey, wow. I'm not getting honey per se. There is a sweetness, obviously, and there is hint of that powdery, waxy feel to it. But honey, I'm not getting. I mean, traditional honey, which is quite dense and big bodied and full. You won't get it in here. It's just a smidgen of that waxy feel to it as well. But the orange blossom and jasmine in here by far are the biggest player. So you need to like your white florals to enjoy this. Is a domination of white florals in here, and they say the Italian orange and bitter orange. To be honest with you, the orange is there, but it's not a huge player. It's mostly citrus. Yes, I'm getting bergamot, lemon definitely, but a little bit of zestiness of the orange. It says bitter orange. I'm not getting that much bitter orange at all in here. And the base is vanilla, honey, and sandalwood. Yes, see the sandalwood combination in the base, which is I mentioned earlier. and it's very clean, and mainly in the background. Right now, for the first impression, vanilla, yes, vanilla is quite a dominant player in the base, and the vanilla in here is very smooth. So overall, this fragrance is quite smooth because we have sandalwood making it quite smooth, we have jasmine which makes it quite smooth, and also we have the vanilla. So these three together making this fragrance very smooth. So it's almost buttery smooth. So it's very well done, very well put together for under £20. Smells great. As I said, it smells like 80, 90, £100 perfume, but obviously because it's Jenny Glow, and they make very good fragrances for very affordable prices, and it's good for us consumers. We're getting such a good fragrance. Nice DNA, nice perfumery, nice ingredients. The ingredients is very good for the price. Again, Mamma Mia, smells again like a designer fragrance, which is about 80, 90 pounds perfume. So overall, if you like it bright, happy, fresh, uplifting, very captivating, in the same time quite crowd pleasing, it's quite people's pleaser. There is nothing in here to challenge anybody. The DNA in here is very universally liked. It's one of those dumb reach, as we say in the fragrance community, which means, you know, you don't have to think about it, you just put it on and go, because there's nothing in here to challenge it or to stop and think about. It's just basically a very nice fragrance overall, and it gives you the feeling of a nice smell and aroma around you. So it is quite a hint of sensuality in here, a hint of sexiness. Yes, Armani Code, the original, had that anyway, but in here we're having that, we're replicating it in here as well. So again, they done it again. You know, this brand Jenny Glow, they always deliver. I never had a bad Jenny Glow in my collection. I had at least probably about 10 of them, and each time they impress. Again, for a price under £20, this is great. So if you like it citrusy, if you like it a little bit fruitiness, if you like it sweet but not overly sweet, if you like it floral, especially white florals, and if you like it woody in the base, which is cedar sandalwood and clean, and a hint of muskiness in here as well. Yeah, it's got an underlying muskiness to it, definitely. So they're not mentioning the musk, and also there's a little bit of fresh spiciness to it, which is they mentioning ginger in here, but I'm getting a little bit of cinnamon nutmeg combination as well. Yeah, just a hint of cinnamon and nutmeg combination with the ginger, giving it that spicy feel overall. But the spices are very clean again. They're not a deep, dense spiciness rather than a fresh spiciness. So it is a fresh, spicy feel to it. It says in here is an intoxicating blend of designer and longevity. Well, we have to see for that. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity development and things like that. But when you opened up, it's so strong. I could taste it in my mouth. So that tells you something. The brand Jenny Glow, the ones I unboxed and reviewed, all of them performed well, at least about 8 hours on the skin. So this one probably is going to be in the same ballpark. But again, we have to wait and see. If we have a good longevity on that, we have a beautiful perfume on our hand, and I am absolutely recommending this because for the price, this smells very good. It smells about 80, 90, £100 designer fragrance easily. So on top we have jasmine, on top we have orange and very zesty bergamot and lemon. In the mid we have orange blossom and jasmine, which is dominated this perfume. And in the base we have vanilla and sandalwood, plus a little bit of muskiness, plus a little bit of spiciness to it. And overall, this smells great. So who's it for? I would say anybody can wear it, from 18 to 118, no problem whatsoever. Gender-wise, bang in the middle, unisex, but it leans a hint of femininity because of that white florals feel to it, and also a little bit of fruitiness in here. But I would be easily wearing this, no problem whatsoever. As always, if you like perfume, wear it. If you don't like perfume, don't wear it. As simple as that. Forget what they're marketing it for, because perfumes, smell, scents, fragrance don't have gender. It's all marketing BS. They just divide and rule, or divide and sell. Okay, so I'm going to wear this in the next 2 days and enjoy it to the max, and I will report back to you the next video about everything else. But for now, for the first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. I give it 2 thumbs up, especially for a price. It smells very, very good. Gender, as I said, unisex. In terms of age, I said ageless. And in terms of occasion, this is very versatile. You can dress up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, formal, informal. You can wear it to wedding, so delicious. You can wear it to work because it's quite relaxed and laid back as well. And in terms of season, it's all year rounder. You can use it in summer, in winter, no problem. The only thing is in winter more sprays, in summer less sprays. At the moment it's filling the room, filling the house, so let's see how it goes in the next video. Okay guys, so that was the first impression of this beautiful fragrance from the brand Jenny Glow, and this one is called Coding EDP 80ml, under £20, is worth every penny. Yes, 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 I highly recommend it. If you like Armani Code for ladies, the original, this is very, very good alternative to it, and it smells very close, and it smells fantastic. In terms of quality, it's not much behind it. As I said, it smells very quite expensive. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems, and this one is definitely a hidden gem, looks like it. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the artist, I'm the worker, I'm the perfumer, I'm the creator. So they are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% perfume oils in my perfume, which is unheard of, and that gives them the huge personality, very unique, very bold, very long lasting, and they are very artistic and unique. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. There are so many other reviewers reviewed my perfumes. If you are interested, you can go and check them out as well. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.